Hello everybody, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Paul again from Jap Auto Agent. So today we've got a 2025 September Suzuki Jimny Nomade, long wheelbase, 5-door, 1.5 cc's, as I say, manual, and that makes it a little rare. Manuals are like 1 in 75, and if somebody's looking for a specific colour in manual, then it becomes very difficult sometimes to find the car the customer wants. So this vehicle is currently available. It's in Japan. It's not in the UK, so don't ring me up saying you want to come and have a look at it, because it's not here physically. So, and I've noticed in that little shop there, in that image there, that plenty of room in the back seats of these, lots of leg room, and a comfortable seat to sit in the back, and very easy access to getting out the back. Also, the load area compared to the 3-door Jimny is much better. So these are, very good user-friendly vehicles. So there we go. You can put your luggage in there, and dogs or whatever you wish to carry. They're only a 4-seater. They're still a 4-seater vehicle, but I've got one myself, and they're very good. I like them. So this vehicle is currently available at the trade export price, the same price that I would pay if I was buying the car myself, direct from Japan. I've been providing this service, supplying these cars to the UK for my customers for the past, well, it's over 22 years. And having said that, I've been importing cars from Japan in total since 1996. That's 30 years today. So my customers not only get obviously in this case it's a car with delivery mileage, it's like brand new, but not only do they get a lovely vehicle, but they also make a massive saving on the UK retail price. Retail for this vehicle will be somewhere in the region of between 32,500 and 35,000, depending on the dealer. You'll notice this one's got plastic trays that have been put into this vehicle. They don't normally come from the factory with those trays in there. And also the hard cover that's on the spare wheel. So as I say, my customers make a large saving on the retail price. However, this is not a fast process. You have to be prepared to get that saving. It's all about whoever lays out the funding, the capital to fund the car while it's in transit from Japan to the UK. And so any dealer, for example, who's shipping a car halfway around the world, going through the process, because this today, because of delays, because of the volume of cars coming from Japan, the exchange rate is very much in our favour. The yen is very weak at the moment. As I produce this video, it's 214 yen to the pound. This is nosebleed territory. So as a result, this is the reason why there's a tsunami of Japanese cars arriving at the ports in the UK, and it's everybody wants to jump on the bandwagon. So there it is, this particular vehicle. If anybody is interested in this vehicle, all they need to do is get in contact with me, and I'll do my best to answer questions. You can see all the plastics are still there from, because the car's new basically. So I'll do my best to answer questions that customers may have, but I'm providing the opportunity for my customers to buy these cars direct from the fountain of supply at the trade export price. I can't see how you can buy them cheaper. Or if you see them cheaper, then there's something going on in the background, which is, I can't speak about, I don't know. But it's very unlikely, not a genuine one at least. So any questions, I'm quite happy to answer them. But the time scale, I'm afraid to tell you, is going to be today in the region of 4 months to get the car on the road with the DVSA. They're overwhelmed with the volume of cars coming. They can't get them through the IVA test, which has to be done before registration. So if you're interested in this vehicle, get in contact with me. My name's Paul. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye bye. and welcome to Jap Auto Agent. We are a UK-based personal car import agency. We provide our customers with the opportunity to buy cars direct from the Japanese auctions at the trade export price. My customers are guaranteed large savings on selected, cherry-picked vehicles direct from the fountain of supply, which is the Japanese car auctions. The process is quite simple. My customers appoint me as their agent. Once you've completed the agency form and put the deposit in place, that starts the process. Your details will also be sent out to our buyers in Japan. There's not just myself searching for these cars. We've got a small team of people out in Japan looking for the vehicles that we want to supply to our customers. As you can see here, I've got 2 Suzuki Jimnys. So my customers will save a minimum of £5,000 on both of these vehicles, and I mean a minimum. You can't buy them cheaper. And if anybody wishes to know more about this process, feel free to get in contact with me by telephone or even email. We supply all the makes and models. If the car is in that auction, then I can supply it. It's as simple as that.